Good morning and welcome to your daily weather briefing. Well, we have a pretty warm start to our day so far. Temperatures already warming into the 60s, and we've seen a lot of that lately as October came to an end. It was the fourth warmest October that we have seen on record, 4.3 degrees above normal, and it looks like we're starting our November out the same way with above normal temperatures expected throughout the remainder of the week. Taking a look at our conditions from yesterday, we saw temperatures in the 60s and 70s for daytime highs, 72 degrees, the warm spot at Norfolk, 65 degrees here at Wallops. And then overnight last night, temperatures pretty wide ranging throughout the region. It's Baltimore all the way down to 37 degrees, and then as you look across the region, in the Tidewater region, we saw temperatures bottoming out in the upper 40s, even a 50-degree reading at the Langley Air Force Base. We were at 47 degrees here at Wallops. No measurable precipitation over the last 24 hours, and as of 9 a.m., again, those temperatures warming up pretty quickly this morning, already up to 61 degrees as of 9 a.m. under partly cloudy skies here at Wallops. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, you can see the winds out of a southwesterly direction, pumping in some of that warmer air at the 1,000-foot level. And then as we go up in height, winds generally out of a west to a west-southwest direction, all the way up to 25,000 feet, where we see the winds out of a westerly direction at 35 knots. Freezing level this morning at 12,100 feet. Taking a look at our satellite radar composite here, you can see just some anomalous propagation showing up on radar. No real precipitation falling out there this morning, and we're going to continue to remain dry throughout the remainder of the day. We will see some upper level cloudiness continue to stream through the region here as we go through the day today, and a little bit of lower level cloudiness right around the 3,000 foot level should be on the increase as we go through the day today as well. But all in all, a pretty nice day with those warm temperatures and a few peaks of sunshine as we go through the day. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see frontal boundary to our south will be making its way to the north over the next 12 to 24 hours, and we'll see the effects of that with some warmer air arriving as we go into the day today, into the afternoon, and especially into the Thursday, Friday time frame, where we'll see high temperatures once again up into the 70s. So a very warm ending to our week in store for us. And as that warm front moves up to the north, we'll also see a little bit of an increase in moisture overnight tonight and into the morning hours Thursday, and possibly see a sprinkle or two as a result on the during the Thursday morning time frame. Taking a look at our forecast maps and what we can expect, you can see that frontal boundary making its way to the north overnight tonight. Again, that increase in moisture and a very, very weak disturbance could potentially put off a few sprinkles during the early morning hours of Friday, but looking at less than a 10% chance of that occurring Thursday morning, and should not be anything of real significance for us. Thursday shaping up to be a very nice day under partly sunny skies, with a little bit more sunshine expected during the afternoon, and again those temperatures warming into the 70s for daytime highs. Thursday evening, again, clouds should be on the decrease by Thursday evening, with partly cloudy skies expected, and those mild temperatures continuing for Thursday and for Friday. So taking a look at our next 24 hours and what we can expect, you're going to see temperatures very mild for this time of year, all the way up to 69 degrees for our daytime high today under partly sunny skies, and those winds will be dying down as well. Currently we're seeing southeasterly breezes at 8 to 13 knots with some higher gusts. We'll see the winds down to around 5 to 10 knots by the late afternoon and evening hours, and then those winds during the overnight hours will be out of the south right around 3 to 6 knots as we get into the early morning hours of Thursday. Again, there's rain chances for early Thursday morning, most likely between the hours of around 4 to 8 a.m., and only looking at about a 5% chance of any kind of precipitation during that time frame. So really not expecting any, and will likely stay dry through the period. As we go into Thursday and Friday, that's when our real warm air mass begins to approach the region, and we'll see high temperatures all the way up to 74 by Thursday. Thursday night's low only down to 57, and then all the way back up to 76 degrees for our daytime high on Friday, with partly cloudy and very pleasant conditions to end your work week. So taking a look at our next 7 days, you can see those mild temperatures continuing throughout the extended period. We'll see a slight cool down on Saturday as we'll see an onshore flow keeping our temperatures from reaching the 70s, but we'll still be able to get into the mid 60s for daytime highs on Saturday. We do look to see the potential of a frontal boundary moving through Saturday and Sunday with a chance of some scattered showers during the Saturday evening time period. Not looking at a real big rain event for the weekend, but don't be surprised to see a few showers late in the day on Saturday as that frontal boundary approaches the region. Right now looks like Sunday and the first part of Monday will remain dry with temperatures warming back up to around 70 degrees for daytime highs. And then by Monday night into Tuesday, a more significant frontal boundary will give us a better chance of some showers, maybe even a thunderstorm late in the evening on Monday, with a high temperature expected of 72 on Monday and 65 on Tuesday. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at our briefing times both at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.